Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm excited to take you through the IDEO Shopping Cart project, where we'll explore the themes of diversity, deep dive, and culture. This presentation will give you insight into IDEO's unique approach, highlighting how collaboration, thorough research, and inclusive design come together to create innovative solutions. Let's dive in and see how these elements shape the project and deliver meaningful results. Here, we explore IDEO's human-centered design thinking approach, which is all about putting the user front and center. The key idea is empathy, really understanding the needs and experiences of the people you're designing for. IDEO's process is iterative, meaning it loops through several stages. First, they work to clearly define the problem or challenge. Then, they brainstorm and generate a wide range of ideas. After that, they build prototypes to bring those ideas to life in a tangible form. Finally, they test these concepts with users, gathering feedback to refine and improve the design. This cycle repeats as needed, ensuring solutions are both innovative and closely aligned with user needs. The light bulb icon here perfectly symbolizes the creativity and insight that drive this entire approach. On this slide, we're focusing on the importance of diversity within design teams. First, demographic diversity is crucial. Having a multicultural team brings a range of cultural perspectives that fuel innovative design ideas. Next, cognitive diversity plays a key role as well. When teams include different age groups and varied experiences, they approach problems from unique angles, enhancing creativity and solutions. Finally, inclusive practices are essential. At IDEO, for example, we make sure that every team member's voice is heard and valued, fostering collaboration and respect. Together, these elements create a dynamic environment where diverse ideas can thrive and lead to exceptional design outcomes. IDEO places a strong emphasis on incorporating diverse perspectives to enrich their design process. One key method they use is conducting user interviews. By speaking directly with a wide range of users, they gather comprehensive insights and truly understand the varied needs of their audience. This direct engagement ensures the solutions they develop are grounded in real-world experiences. Another important approach is engaging in role-playing sessions combined with assembling diverse project teams. This strategy allows them to explore different viewpoints and challenge assumptions by seeing the problem through multiple lenses. The collaboration among team members from varied backgrounds sparks creativity and uncovers unique opportunities. Together, these methods help IDEO build more inclusive, innovative solutions. In this section, we took a deep dive into understanding user behavior by closely observing shoppers in real store environments. Our goal was to identify the pain points and challenges they face during their shopping experience. Instead of just accepting initial assumptions, we reframed the problem by putting ourselves in the user's shoes. This approach helped us empathize with their situation and uncover deeper, often overlooked needs. By truly connecting with the users and perspective, we gained valuable insights that will guide us in designing better solutions tailored to their real challenges. Here we have the key research and observation techniques used by IDEO to gather deep user insights. First, field observation involves directly watching users in their natural environment, which helps us capture authentic behavior and context that might not surface in interviews alone. Next, quick interviews allow for short, in-the-moment conversations that reveal immediate user feedback and motivation, providing a direct line to their thoughts. Empathy mapping is a valuable visual tool here. It helps us piece together what users are feeling, thinking, and struggling with, creating a more complete emotional and cognitive picture. Video capture plays a crucial role too, by recording user interactions so the entire team can review behaviors in detail later, enhancing analysis and collaboration. User behavior patterns come from careful observation of daily routines and subtle needs, uncovering insights that might not be obvious through direct questioning. Finally, real-time feedback is gathered during quick interviews, revealing user preferences and problems as they happen, allowing for rapid adjustments and deeper understanding. Together, these methods form a comprehensive strategy for user-centered design research. Here we explore the iterative prototyping and testing process, which is essential for developing a successful product. We start with the foam mockup, a rough early version that helps us focus on the basic form and ergonomics. This lets us gather initial feedback to guide further design. Next, we move to the cardboard prototype, which is more refined and allows for hands-on trials. Here, we emphasize structural details and usability, making sure the design is both practical and comfortable. Finally, we develop the functional prototype, an advanced iteration that users test in real scenarios. This stage is critical for assessing performance and satisfaction, ensuring the product meets user needs effectively before final production. Each step builds on the last, helping us create a well-tested and user-friendly device. Here we focus on the culture at IDEO and how it drives innovation. The key element here is psychological safety, which means creating an environment where team members feel safe to take risks and experiment without fear of failure. IDEO's culture is built on openness and playfulness, which fosters trust among the team. This trust encourages people to try bold ideas and explore new possibilities, knowing they have support, even if things don't go perfectly. This kind of environment is essential for developing breakthrough projects and maintaining a steady flow of creativity. Let's talk about the role of collaboration and communication in building a strong team culture. First, we have show and tell sessions. These frequent meetings create an open environment where everyone shares their progress and challenges. This transparency not only keeps the whole team informed, but also promotes collective learning, allowing us to grow together. Next, cross-disciplinary pairing is a powerful strategy. By pairing team members from different fields, we bring diverse perspectives to the table, which sparks creativity and drives innovation. This kind of collaboration breaks down silos and helps us solve problems more effectively. As you can see in the image, these interactions foster a dynamic workspace where ideas are freely exchanged, reinforcing the importance of communication in achieving our goals. When we look at how culture influences design outcomes, two key factors stand out. First, faster iteration is crucial. When team members feel psychologically safe, they're more willing to share ideas freely and take risks. This leads to quicker prototyping and faster feedback cycles, which means the team can learn and improve designs much more rapidly. Secondly, a broader idea pool comes into play. Trust across different disciplines encourages a wide range of perspectives and ideas. This diversity drives innovation as various viewpoints combine to create unique and effective design solutions. You can see that both faster iteration and a broader idea pool are fueled by a positive, trust-based culture, and together they significantly enhance the design process. Here are the key takeaways we need to focus on. First, diversity is crucial because it broadens the way we frame problems. When we bring together diverse teams, we gain a wider range of perspectives, which helps us approach challenges more inclusively. Next, taking a deep dive through thorough research is essential. It allows us to uncover user needs that aren't immediately obvious, ensuring our solutions truly address real issues. Finally, culture plays a vital role by enabling rapid learning. When an organization fosters an experimental mindset, it encourages quick adaptation and innovation. Together, these elements, diversity, deep research, and a supportive culture, create a powerful foundation for success. To conclude, the core message here is that combining diversity, thorough research, and a supportive culture significantly improves design outcomes. This approach creates an environment where innovative solutions can thrive. Now, I'd like to invite your questions and thoughts so we can explore these ideas together in more depth. It's important to consider how we can practically apply these practices within our own team settings. Lastly, looking at our audience confidence. 45% feel very confident about using IDEO methods, 35% are somewhat confident, and 20% remain unsure. This gives us a good starting point for further discussion and learning.